8 benefits of avocado you might not know about. Avocados have a bad reputation for being high in fat, but the fats are beneficial, and the flesh is high in vitamins and minerals. See what else they can do for your body. The first benefit is, avocado lowers cholesterol. Eating avocados is probably the most delicious drug-free way to lower your cholesterol. Avocados are high in plant sterols, which have been shown to lower cholesterol by preventing it from being absorbed into the bloodstream. They are high in vitamins and minerals like vitamin E, magnesium, vitamin C, folate, and zinc. A health benefit of avocado is that it contains more potassium than a banana's ounce for ounce. A 2-year study of a small group of hypertensive adults discovered switching from a carbohydrate-heavy diet to one rich in monounsaturated fats. The heart-healthy kind found in olive oil resulted in lower blood pressure and improved lipid levels. Dutch researchers examined 60 trials to investigate the effects of different fats on cholesterol levels, and discovered that replacing carbohydrates with monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats leads to a decrease in bad cholesterol and an increase in good cholesterol. The second benefit is, avocado reduces the risk of heart disease. Some of the most effective ways to lower your risk of heart disease are less complicated than you might think. For example, studies have shown that replacing saturated fat with unsaturated fat, one of the most well-known avocado benefits, can reduce heart disease risk more effectively than simply reducing total fat intake. A review of 50 studies and clinical trials found that a Mediterranean diet high in monounsaturated fat effectively prevented metabolic syndrome. A group of risk factors increases the likelihood of heart problems such as stroke or coronary artery disease. Another 20-year study of over 74,000 women ages 38 to 63 discovered that women that followed a Mediterranean-style diet had a lower risk of stroke. The third benefit is, avocado lower cancer risk. Another of avocado's health benefits is that healthy monounsaturated fats have been shown to help your body better absorb anti-cancer antioxidants, like lycopene in tomatoes and beta-carotene in carrots and sweet potatoes. In addition, monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats reduce bad cholesterol while increasing good cholesterol. The fourth benefit is, avocado keep blood sugar steady. Add avocado to your sandwich. Aside from making it more delicious, you'll reap the many health benefits of avocado, one of which is controlling your blood sugar levels. Its fat is a whopping 25 to 30 grams per avocado and slows digestion, making it easier on your blood sugar. And its soluble fiber helps stabilize blood sugar levels, aiding in the fight against insulin resistance. Avocados are a great addition to a low GI diet if eaten in moderation because fat does not affect blood sugar. According to one study, people who ate half an avocado for lunch felt fuller for longer and had less of a desire to eat more afterwards. It also revealed that eating avocado did not increase blood sugar levels, suggesting that the fruit may be beneficial in the maintenance of weight and diabetes, though more research is needed. The fifth benefit is, avocado helps maintain hair health. Some grooming habits can wreak havoc on your hair. Surprisingly, one of them isn't covering your hair with avocado. When used to moisturize your hair, avocado strengthens the strands with protein. A ripe, peeled avocado should be combined with a teaspoon of wheat germ oil and jojoba oil. Apply to freshly washed hair and spread to the ends before covering your scalp with a shower cap or plastic bag. Wait for 15 to 30 minutes for your hair to absorb the avocado benefits before rinsing thoroughly. The sixth benefit is, avocado improves digestive health. The fiber in avocados stabilizes blood sugar. One of the health benefits of avocados is that it improves digestive health. Fiber assists in shifting the balance of bacteria in the gut, increasing healthy bacteria while decreasing unhealthy bacteria, which can be the source of some digestive disorders. Avocado fat also nourishes the gut lining, which reduces the likelihood of constipation and irritable bowel syndrome symptoms. The seventh benefit is, avocado aids in better cognitive function. Fatty acids are essential for the proper functioning of the central nervous system, reproductive system, and cognitive processes. Avocados are an excellent brain food because their fatty acids are one of the most essential avocado benefits. These acids aid in balancing hormones, which directly affects mood. Higher fat diets may reduce the risk of depression, anxiety, and other mental disorders. By facilitating proper thought processing, hormone production, and stress reduction mechanisms within the brain. The eighth benefit is, avocados help with weight loss. High-fiber foods help to reduce appetite, lower the risk of high blood pressure, and lower cholesterol levels. Despite their high carbohydrate content, avocados boost your metabolism and are keto-friendly. One 3.5-ounce avocado contains 7 grams of dietary fiber. So eating one average-sized avocado provides 27% of your recommended daily fiber intake, 25 grams for women, 38 grams for men. It also has 12 grams of carbs with a net carbohydrate of 2 grams and 21 grams of healthy fat. Try incorporating avocado into salads, Buddha bowls, dessert mousse as a cream substitute, and, of course, guacamole. Are you having an issue with your weight and want to do something about it? Click the link in the pinned comment to learn more. Thank you for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and like and share it with any family or friends who find it helpful. Please hit the subscribe button.